Hey, howdy folks. Let's do something a little different this time around. We've never done a slideshow, so this is our first slideshow of pictures of a past trip that me and the kids took in 2007. Becky was in the hospital on this day recovering from surgery, so she didn't get a chance to go with us. And the kids wanted to go over there, so we stopped by for a little visit and took a tour of the museum, and they had a lot of neat stuff in there. A lot of old wagons. Parts of the assembly line from the original Studebaker assembly plant, which was right there in South Bend, Indiana. Just a lot of old, neat stuff. Movie sets, old equipment, ambulances, cop cars, criminal cars, you name it, it was in there. Just a lot of old beauties. I mean, old motorcycles, as you can see. But it was a hopping little place, and very well kept, very clean. We're not sure what it looks like today because, like I said, this was in 2007. Here's the Muppet car that was in the Muppet movie. It had faded over the years, and these were the last pictures taken around that time period, right before they sent it off to get it restored. I hear it's back. There's where the driver sat in the trunk. But yes, the Muppet car is there. Lots of old motorcycles. Look at them old cars. Just every one of them was in pristine condition, like they just came off the assembly line. But kick back, enjoy. Hope you like it. Maybe we'll do some more slideshows in the future.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me back down the old dirt road.
So what do you think of these old beauties? Some nice cars up in here. Look at that trophy. Again, this was back before we were doing YouTube videos, so we didn't really do anything but pictures. And we saved a lot of them and thought you guys might want to enjoy going on a little trip down memory lane, so to speak. Probably be doing more of these if you guys like them. Just let us know down in the comments. And we'll dig through the old files and see what we got. Look at that beauty. Man. Boy, they don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. Definitely not. Look at that stack of wagons. Again, Studebaker, I believe, used to manufacture wagons before cars. Yep. Look at that wagon. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, if you ever get in South Bend, Indiana, stop in. It's the Studebaker Museum. You will not regret it. I think it's $10 a person to get in, if I remember right. Maybe it's $15 with another tour added to it. You won't regret it. It's very, very well maintained. That is one sharp looking car. So let's get back to the slideshow, shall we?
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
So, which one's your favorite? I basically like all the Studebaker trucks. Hey, there's Oliver Plow. They used to be made here in South Bend, Indiana, too. But yes, any of the Studebaker pickups. Becky's partial. Actually, she's partial to the horse and buggies, like you see here. Anything convertible she likes. Don't see too many Studebakers left on the road today. It's kind of sad. Wish they'd make them like they used to. They need to bring some of these old cars back, I think. That'd be cool. Wouldn't it be? Just pass a 2021 Studebaker on the road.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today for you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today, just wait and see.